Students, now you are going to learn square root of polynomials. The square root of a given positive real number is another number which when multiplied with itself is the given number. Square root means the number, the polynomial multiple by itself. Similarly, for example, for a general form, the square root of a given expression p of x, one expression is p, we want to find the square root of this p of x, is another expression q of x, which when multiple by itself, the q of x, we want to find the square root of p of x is another expression q of x, which when multiple by itself gives p of x. So that is multiple by itself means q of x multiple two types, the same q of x. So that is q of x into q of x is equal to p of x. For q of x into q of x, that means for two inside the square root we have like that, it is the absolute value modulus of q of x is equal to square root of p of x. For this modulus symbol mentioned as a absolute value of q of x. It is how you say this, absolute value of q of x. We have two square root method, that is factorization method and division method. First we will say this factorization method. Exercise 3.7, first problem, find the square root of the following rational expressions. 400 into x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 by 100 into x power 8 y power 4 z power 4. The second problem, 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 whole divided by x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16. Third problem, 121 into a plus b whole power 8, x plus y whole power 8, b minus c whole power 8 whole divided by 81 into b minus c whole power 4, a minus b whole power 12, b minus c whole power 4. We want to find the square root of the following rational expression. First you write the given question. We want to find the square root of, so you write it as with symbol. That is 400 into x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 by 100 into x power 8 y power 4 z power 4. For what other things make cancel, you have to make cancel, then you have to take a square root. So 2 zeros cancel. For x power 4 is there, here x power 8, so 4 times is cancelled, so remaining 4 times. For here 12 times is there, that means y into 12 times is there, here 4. So you have to remove 4 times. So 12 minus 4, 8. Z power 16 by z power 4. Z power 4, here 4 you have to remove, so that is 12. So you have to make cancel. When we are making cancel fully, you have to full cancelled. Otherwise you have to make cancel only the power. Here x power 4, x power 8, we removed only 4. So cut this 8 and write 4. Here 12 y power 4. Y power 4 fully cancelled. So you have to make cancel. This is 8. So now z power 4 fully cancelled. Here we want to remove only 4. So 16 minus 4, 12. Just you have to cancel the power. So after cancelling we have square root of 4 into x fully cancelled. So it is 1 y power 8 z power 12 by x power 4. Remaining these two one time. So x power 4. Now you have to take a square root. This square root is common for coefficient and this variables. So square root of 4 value 2. So this 2 for a square root 4 value is 2. So square root 4 value right here. Then we want to take the absolute value for this. So that is when we are taking an absolute value, for it is for a y power 8 z power 12 it is there. For in the definition I am taught to you, that is 2 times the number multiple by itself. So that means the same number you have to reduce by half of the power. So that is y power 8 is there, you write y power 4, 12 is there, half of this is 6, 4 is there, half of this is x square. So 2 into absolute value of y power 4 into z power 6 by x square. For this is a absolute value. Second question, 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16. It is in the form a plus b whole square. For it is written as 7x square is written as root 7x whole square. For this 2 is written as root 2 whole square. So it is a square, for a square b square. So you have to use this format ax square, for it is written as root 7x square plus 2 into root 7 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is rewritten as root 7 plus x plus root 2 whole square. It is in the form a plus b whole square. So this also, for it is x square, it is 1 by 4 whole square. So both square numbers are there. You have in middle you have a minus. So a minus b whole square. So that is x square minus 2 into ab plus b square. So it is x minus 1 by 4 whole square. It is in the form a plus b whole square. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So now the denominator we have one fraction term. So that denominator you have to take a LCM for inside the bracket. So this is rewritten as root 7x plus root 2 whole square by, for it is 4x minus 1 whole divided by 4 whole square. For inside the bracket you have to take a LCM. So that is this denominator by, for a denominator number moves to numerator. So that is, for this square is common for this term, numerator term and denominator term. So this moves to 4 square in the numerator. So that is root 7x plus root 2 whole square by 4x minus 1 whole square. This 4 square is there. For root 4 square value is 4. Then the absolute value of inside value. So inside the value. So that is root 7x plus root 2. When we are taking a square root, it's a half of this, reduce a half of the power. So that is root 7x plus root 2 by 4x minus 1. Okay. Yes, it is 4 into absolute value of root 7x plus root 2 by 4x minus 1. Third problem. 121 into a plus b whole power 8, x plus y whole power 8, b minus c whole power 8 whole divided by 81 into b minus c whole power 4, a minus b whole power 2, b minus c whole power 4. For root 121 value 11, root 81 value 9. For these two, when we are taking square root for 121 and 81, we get 11 by 9. Then we want to find the square root for remaining terms. So that is what I said, inside the root we have power 8. So when we remove the bracket, when it comes out from the root, the power become reduced half. So that means power 8 is there. So it is 4. Power 8 is there. It is 4. 8 is there. It is 4. In the denominator, power 4 is there. It's reduced as 2. 12 reduced as 6. 4 reduced as 2. Now any terms are possible to make cancel, you have to make cancel. It is power 4 is there. For it is b minus c whole square. First time you make cancel 2. Then again you have to make cancel fully. So that is b minus c whole power 4. That means b minus c whole square, b minus c whole square cancel. These two terms are cancelled. So after cancelling we have 11 by 9 into a plus b whole power 4 into x plus y whole power 4 whole divided by a minus b whole power 6. That is the absolute value of 11 by 9 into a plus b whole power 4 x plus y whole power 4 whole divided by a minus b whole power 6. Second problem, find the square root of the following. 4x square plus 20x plus 25. The second question, 9x square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 25z square plus 16y square. Third question, 4x square minus 9x plus 2 into 7x square minus 13x minus 2 into 28x square minus 3x minus 1. Fourth question, 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1 into 3 by 2 into x square plus 4x plus 2, then 4 by 3 x square plus 11 by 3x plus 2. Second first problem, square root of 4x square plus 20x plus 25. So this is written as this also square number, the last term also square number. So it is 2x whole square, it is written as 2x whole square, it is written as 5 square. Using this first term and last term, easily we have to identify it is related to which identity. Yes, so I am used here, it is written as 2x whole square, this is for 5 square. For in middle we have a plus symbol. So using this first term, last term and this symbol, we find that identity 2x plus 5 whole square. Now you have to check a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 2x into 5, that is 20x. So now you have to take a square root. Square root taken means you know the absolute value of the power become reduced. So this 2x plus 5 whole square comes out of the square. It's become absolute value of 2x plus 5. Now the second question, second question, 9x square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 25z square plus 16y square. So first you have to identify which is related to, this is related to which identity. Okay, just you have to recall the formulas. In 9th standard, what are the formulas you are learned? Yes, previous class I gave some of the formulas, you know, just you have to revise it. So now it is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In between some of the negative terms also is there. So how you have to identify this? First you have to check the square numbers. What are the square numbers? It is 9x square, 25z square, 16y square. So first you write this together. Then for 24xy, you have to write it as a formula format. 24xy, 30xz, 40yz. Now for this term get a minus. For this term get minus, maybe x negative or y negative. Any one negative. Any one of the variable is negative. Now for x is z. Here x is there but it gets positive. So easily you identify x is not a negative. So now you check the last term. Y is there, so where y is there it gets negative, so easily you conclude that y term gets negative. Have you understood? For it is a square number, you are not able to identify for here negative is there or not, negative number is there or not. So you have to using this term. For x, y is there, x is negative or y is negative. So the same x is there but the term become a positive. So we conclude that x is positive value. So y is in the last term, it gets negative. So sure y is a negative. So we have to conclude that it is in the form 3x square minus 4y whole square plus 5z square. So it is in the form 3x minus 4y plus 5z whole square. Compare with this formula. So for a square root is there. So it's become absolute value of 3x minus 4y plus 5z. Third question, square root of 4x square minus 9x plus 2, 7x square minus 13x minus 2, 28x square minus 3x minus 1. For each one in a quadratic form. For when we found a quadratic form, you have to factorize this quadratic form with the I factor. I factor you are learned from 8th standard. Thoroughly you are know. So at side you have to find the factors for these three quadratic expressions. First you have to find for 4x square minus 9x plus 2. That 4x square we have the coefficient in the x square. So x square coefficient is more than 1. We have to use this formula. Use this method. So this 4 multiple with this constant. So 4 2s are 8. Then the coefficient of x write it down. So now we have to find for product value 8, adding value minus 9. So 8 into 1 minus 8 into minus 1. First in the beginning we make multiple with 4. So after finding the factor divided by 4. So that is minus 8 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. For it is x minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4. So that is x minus 2 into 4x minus 1. Next is 7x square minus 13x minus 2. So you have make multiple 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. This is the product value. Minus 13, write it down. It is a adding value. So minus 14 and 1 is the factor. So divided by 7, because in the beginning make multiple with 7. So finally divided by 7. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Here cancelling is not possible. So it is x minus 2, x plus 1 by 7. So x minus 2, it is 7 into x, 7x plus 1. Third one, 28x square minus 3x minus 1. So product value minus 28, adding value minus 3. So 7 4s are 28. So we need minus here. So give a greater number, give negative sign. So minus 7 by minus 7 and 4 divided by 28. So here 28, 28, minus 7 by 28, 4 by 28. 1 7 is 7, 4 7s are 28. 1 4 is 4, 7 4s are 28. After cancelling, we have x minus 1 by 4, x plus 1 by 7. That is 4x minus 1, 7x plus 1. Okay, now you have to write the factor. This one factors we found as x minus 2 into 4x minus 1. The second expression factor is x minus 2 into 7x plus 1. Third expression factor is 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. So that is, now you have to compare the same terms are there, you make it as a same power. So x minus 2 into x minus 2, x minus 2 whole square. 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. So 4x minus 1 whole square. 7x plus 1, 7x plus 1, 7x plus 1 whole square. We want to take a square root. So it's become absolute value of x minus 2, 4x minus 1, 7x plus 1. Have you understood this step? For when we are taking square root, for the square number, square and square root become cancelled. That you know well. So that is, we have to write it as a absolute value. We have the same method problem in the example. So you have to follow this method. Okay, in the book they are given separately finding for this, this, then it looks like a big problem. You have to follow this method for the example problem. Now fourth problem, 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1, 3 by 2x square plus 4x plus 2, 4 by 3x square plus 11 by 3x plus 2. Okay, for we have the fraction coefficients, so we have to take a LCM. So for this first expression, LCM is 6. So this is multiple by 6, 12x square, 17x plus 6. For this expression, LCM is 2. So that is 3x square, 4 2s are 8, 8x, 2 into 2, 4. For here LCM is 3. So that is 4x square plus 11x plus 6, 2 into 3. Okay. So now for this all the one in a multiplication, in a product. So for 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. In the denominator, you have to write 1 by 36. Okay. So now for it is the denominator value 6 into 2 into 3. So that is 1 by 36. Find a factor for this 12x square plus 17x plus 6. Like as a previous problem, you have to find a factor for this. Then for this one factor is this one factor, this 2. For this one factor is this. Now for it is you make a, it is 4x plus 3, 2 times is there, 4x plus 3 whole square, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 is there. So x plus 2 whole square. Now we want to find the square root. So that is 36, 1 by root 36, root value is 1 by 6. So that is absolute value of 4x plus 3, 3x plus 2, x plus 2. Students, the factorization, anybody have a doubt, refer with this. Okay. For this, first one is a 12x square plus 17x plus 6. So that is, you have to make multiple 12 and 6. That is 12 6 are 72. The adding value is 17. So the factor 8 and 9. Then divided by 12. So fourth table, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Here 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So x plus 2 by 3, x plus 3 by 4. So that is 3x plus 2, 4x plus 3. The second one, 3 4s are 12, that is the product value, adding value 8. So the factor 6 and 2 divided by, for here 3 is there, so divided by 3. Sorry, divided by, that is first in the beginning we make multiple with 3. So divided by 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Here cancelling is not possible. So x plus 2 into x plus 2 by 3. So that is x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Next one is, for this is 4x square is, so 24. Product value 24, adding value 11. So 8 3s are. So divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So x plus 2 into x plus 3 by 4. So that is x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. It is same as the previous problem. Then the same methods. Students, example problems you have to follow the exercise problem method.